What's up, Tech Cut crew? Welcome to the final part of our Ultimate Bike Gadgets series. Today we're covering 5 premium accessories that might cost a bit more, but deliver incredible value. These are the kind of upgrades that transform good rides into absolutely amazing experiences. Let's dive into the final countdown. At number 5, we have this genius USB rechargeable handlebar extender. This isn't just extra mounting space, it doubles as a power bank to keep your devices charged during long rides. Built from lightweight aluminum alloy, it's incredibly tough, while the sturdy clamps keep everything locked in place. Whether you're mounting headlights, phone holders, or computers, this extender adds valuable space without bulk and fits most bikes between 22 to 31.8 millimeter handlebars.
Number 4 goes to this smart taillight featuring 32 ultra-bright SMD LEDs pumping out 120 lumens for maximum visibility. What makes this special is the wireless remote control that lets you switch between 5 modes and produces a 120 decibel beep for turn signals. With IPX4 waterproof rating and included reflective tape, plus tool-free installation, this is a rock-solid safety upgrade that works in any weather condition. Taking the number 3 spot is this comprehensive bike toolkit that brings together everything you need for roadside repairs or maintenance. It includes a 16-function multi-tool, crank extractor, tire levers, glueless patches, and a compact pump that extends from 8 to 16 inches. The durable tool bag mounts anywhere on your bike with Velcro straps, keeping everything within reach. This kit is perfect for cyclists who like being prepared for anything.
At number 2, we have the LCM Comfortable Seat Cushion, designed specifically for long-distance riding comfort. It features dual shock-absorbing springs underneath plus thick, high-density memory foam padding wrapped in wear-resistant synthetic leather. The central ventilation groove keeps you cool during longer rides, and installation is super simple, with included adapters and tools. This upgrade literally transforms your riding comfort. And our number 1 premium pick is the Sportneer Bike U-Lock, because protecting your investment is absolutely crucial. Built with 16mm thick hardened steel, this lock resists forces up to 12 tons and stands strong against cutting tools. It includes a 4-foot steel cable, mounting bracket, and protective silicone coating to prevent scratches. With 2 keys included and compatibility with most bikes, this lock gives you complete peace of mind when you need to secure your ride.
That's a wrap on our complete bike gadget series. 15 incredible accessories that can seriously upgrade your cycling experience. Which gadget from all 3 videos caught your attention the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this series helpful, make sure to like all 3 videos and subscribe to Tech Cut for more amazing tech content. Until next time, keep riding and keep upgrading. Bye-bye.